It's a bit weird. It's a bit weird. I don't know, man. Today, I've just been feeling rough, so I haven't really got much prepared. So what I'm gonna do now is, I don't know whether it's a review or not, but this toothbrush has charcoal. It's backwards, but it's charcoal infused spiral bristles. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take you with me and I'm gonna clean my teeth with it, and I'm gonna tell you what I reckon and if it's worth it. Like, everyone's on about this charcoal stuff, it's supposed to be amazing, but yeah, let's see what it does. So I'm in the kitchen. I'm trying not to get censored for nudity now as well, so I've got my top off just so I don't really spill any toothpaste. But let's see. It's really soft, like I like hard toothbrushes. I can kind of taste the charcoal, but it's a bit weird. I can't see any charcoal in the toothpaste, so I don't know if it's a conspiracy or not. I don't know, man.
I'm 18.